Right, what we're going to do is use the Ti-83 or Ti-84, it's the same process, to create a box and whisker plot from a data set. So what you'll do is you go to, turn your calculator on and go to Stat, Edit. It's the first choice. You're going to press Enter. And just enter your data in list 1. I just made up some numbers, all right? And we're going to press second, y is equal to, which is stat plot. And this is what we'll use to plot our, to create our box and whisker plot. We're going to use the first plot 1 and see if it's turned off. We're going to want to turn it on. So press enter, and I get some choices here. I'm going to turn it on by pressing enter. And when you go down to type, right, the first choice is a scatter plot. Then you have some other graphs here, but we want the, well, there's two of them that look like box and whisker plots. The first one and the second one. The first one is for a modified box and whisker plot, which will show you outliers. The second one is just, it doesn't include outliers, and it'll just show you the max and the min and the other values, the Q1, the median, and the Q3. So we're going to select that choice, and my X list is list 1. Now, if for some reason you put your data in list 2, you would press second and the number 2. You can see there's a yellow L2 there. Oops. There we go. If your data, like I said, mine's in list 1, so I'm going to change that back to list 1, second and the number 1. If you had it in some kind of other list, if you could press second, stat, and you see you have all these choices for your lists. And from here we're going to press zoom and scroll down. You can press the number 9 or scroll down and you see number 9 is zoom stat, press enter. And there's your box and whisker plot. If you press trace, you'll get a blinking cursor, and using my left and right arrow keys I can see my min is 5, my Q1 is 6, my median or my Q2 is 7, my Q3 is 14, and my max is 25. Right? And now you could also get those values by going to stat, calc, one var stats of L1. It'll do L1 by default, but I'll put L1 in there and hit enter. And you scroll down here, you also get your min, your Q1, your median, your Q3, and your max.